Hello all, Wave Rider here. We're gonna do a demo of this. The TNT mini artillery shell. Even though mini firework month is over, I still have a lot of small fireworks to review and show off. Anyways, it's by TNT and is exclusive since of course they're the only ones that makes mini artillery shells. Yeah. Again, I just laugh every time I see that. They like to slap on the exclusive on almost every packaging they have. Here's some of the effects. It says here, if it becomes necessary due to conditions beyond our control, this company reserves the right to substitute any item listed above with similar items or equal or greater value. All right. Anyways, here's some here. Looks like a willow effect. Yeah, flowers. Tell you the truth, I seriously doubt it'll look anything like that, but yeah. In the back, 6-shot, another pretty much similar, but this shows safety and how to light a mortar. All right, let's go see what's inside real quick. I open this up. Yeah, this is on seems like every single mortar kit I've opened up. I did say almost. All right, here's the tube itself. Cardboard, mini artillery shell, shoots flaming balls. Yeah. Let's go look at the shell here. Does it tell you anything? Shoots flaming balls. That's all it says here. UN 00336 1.4G consumer fireworks. Nothing tells you the effects, so okay, let's go outside and give these a try. We will try the mini artillery shell by TNT. Let's go try one and see if it warrants another shell. Since it is very easy, probably we'll do two. Let's see. Okay, we'll try another one. That was pretty good. All right, we'll try this one here. Oops. Yeah. It's okay. $6 for 6 mini shells. Okay. Yeah, then again, I would rather, for the money, I'd rather get the super Magnum canisters from World Class. It's like $3 more and you get 12 with the better brakes. Anyway, you guys have a great evening. Bye.